In this video, we will show you how to install the Chrome Readiness Assessment on the administrator machine using the installer setup file. First, download the Chrome Readiness Tool MSI file using the provided download link. The Chrome Readiness Tool Setup Wizard will now open. Review the details shown in the Setup Wizard and click Next. The installation folder is selected by default. You can keep the default installation folder location. Next, select the Preferred User Group option. Choose Everyone to install the tool for all users on the administrator server machine. The Just Me option installs the tool only for the currently logged in user account in admin server machine. The Setup Wizard will now ask you to confirm the installation. Click Next to start installing the Chrome Readiness tool. The installation process will now begin. Please wait a few seconds while the Chrome Readiness tool is being installed. Do not close the Setup Wizard during this process. Once the installation is complete, click Close to exit the installation wizard. The Chrome Readiness Tool Installer application is now ready to use. You can begin configuring the Readiness Assessment by clicking the Chrome Readiness Tool Installer application icon. You have now completed the installation of the Chrome Readiness Tool Installer application. Thank you.